This is what you get in Punta Cana for less than $1,500 per month. This pre-construction home is located in Vista Cana. If you are not familiar with Vista Cana, it is about 10 minutes from natural beaches like Bibihawa Beach or Cabizo de Toro. You are about 20 minutes from Punta Cana International, and you are 5 minutes from downtown Punta Cana. Jumping into the apartments, you can choose between a 1 and 2 bedroom ranging from 417 square feet to 1,124 square feet. You have 4 unit types. You have type A, which is the studio. You have type B, which is also a studio with a larger patio. Type C is going to be your private 1 bedroom separated from your living room. And then type D is going to be your 2 bedroom. Fun fact, if you want a private jacuzzi with your unit, it's an additional $13,000, and that's for the ground floor units. To get the process started, it's $3,000. I feel like I'm running out of time, so do not hesitate to schedule a one-on-one call with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me for all things related to Punta Cana real estate. Bye!